Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to download and install Denodo Express. For this, first of all, we need to have an account in the Denodo community. After your account has been created, you will get an email in which you can activate your account, and further after that you can proceed with the download. For the download, you need to download it from this website. There are various types of installers, and based on the operating system you use, you can choose. I have chosen Windows 64-bit installer. This is a 1.4 GB file and it will take some time to download. After that is downloaded, the second step is from the same website. At the bottom we can see the Denodo license. This we can download it. This license needs to be renewed every year, so you are getting a free license for 1 year. After the download is complete, we can extract the file and we will get this all options. Here we have to click on the install application. The install application will open the installation procedure. In this, we need to click on next and agree with the license agreement. In this video, for this video, I have chosen the default installation. You can choose either default or custom based on your need. You need to provide the installation path for Denodo as well as the license file, the one which we downloaded from the community. After that, we just need to go to next and like normal procedures of any installation, this will succeed. Once that has succeeded, we can see in our installation directory, which was for us C Denodo 7.0. In that, we can go to the bin directory and we can see vehicle server startup. Just double click on it. It's a Windows batch file and it will start our server. After your server has been started, we can go search for Denodo platform 7.0 in our Windows and it will open the platform control center for us. Here, if we go to the VDP client, in this section we can see the server for VDP is already running as we ran it from the previous step. For now, we can click on to launch the VDP admin tool.